Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chad. I'm your Tall Tailor. This is video 3 in a series of showing you guys every single pair of pants I've made in the month. This is currently February and I'm going to show you guys the pants I made in December. So I'm kind of late on making pants, but don't worry, I'm not stopping making the pants. I'm just a little bit behind. Life and stuff gets in the way sometimes, but we're still on it. We're still making pants. We're still doing stuff. The first pants I made for the month of December, week 1, was this multicolored pair of pants, beige canvas with all these colored pockets on the front and on the back. They're cargo pockets, so they're that more like 3-dimensional. And also I made these cut out half moon shape, well, I guess this little blue lining on the side. And also the waistband is lined as well too. These pants are a little dirty because I used the climb. Pockets are cool. All the hardware is like this copper colored buttons, like these copper buttons. I just thought it looked cool. More like a high-waisted pair, really multicolored. Oh yeah, all the pocket flaps are lined as well too in this like striped color. I think that's really cool. Yeah, that's kind of it, to be honest. I like these pants. They're fun to wear. They're really comfortable. I guess all the pants will be comfortable because I made them for myself, so like why would I make uncomfortable pants? Pants number 2 for week 2 are this pair of blue and white striped pants. These look a little goofy, I'm not gonna lie, but the thought process, the idea behind this pants was the movie Pirate. I think it's like 1948 or something. The one with Gene Kelly in it. Really fun movie. I was watching it when I made these pants. I really like the outfits that Gene Kelly wore. A really nice like swashbuckling type pirate outfit. And they're also inspired by like fencing pants. If you see fencing pants, they're like a lot higher waisted. I just made these ones flow at the bottom. And I like the stripes. I think the stripes look cool. They also make me look a lot taller. And I kind of look like, what's his name from Lazy Town? Sporticus. I look like Sporticus from Lazy Town. What else about these pants? 2 welt pockets on the front, and this one has a little loop so I can hold keys on it and stuff. And also there's this tiny coin pouch on the right side of the pockets. These pants are a little bit tighter because I want them to be a little bit more form-fitted. To kind of go with that silhouette of that like pirate shape pants. If you guys get a chance, watch the movie. I think it's really cool. I wore these a couple of times outside. Again, like this was December, so these aren't really like the pants I'd wear in December. It's more of like a summer pant. Like ideally I'd wear these pants like a tank top or like a crop top or something like that. Can't really rock that in the winter. Maybe some loafers. Also the fading on this pants, they're gonna fade eventually. I think maybe the blue's just printed on. So the more I wear it, the more white is gonna poke through the blue. And I think that looks cool. It kind of has like a cool faded kind of look. It looks like sailor pants, pirate pants. That guy from Lazy Town. Anyway, yeah, that's week 2. Now weeks 3 and 4 were commissioned, so I don't actually have the pants here with me, unfortunately. So I will be posting pictures here for week 3. Not random, but like a standard pair of dark blue boot cut jeans. The thing I made different about these pants, I want to pull it up on my Instagram so it can be a little bit easier to see. Copper buttons as well too, and also I lined the inside of the pants. I really like lining the inside of the yoke of the pants because I think that looks really cool. Whenever you make custom pants, and it's just like a general rule for anybody, I don't really like when people make custom pants and they look like normal pants. Like add a little bit of flair, a little bit of pizzazz on the inside of the pants. I think that looks kind of cool. Like you're making them, you might as well. So like line the pockets in a different color, line the fly shield, line the waistband if you can. If you're adding a yoke, line the yoke. Add cool little tiny things, It doesn't add that much complexity while you're actually sewing it, but it just looks kind of cool on the inside. Line the whole thing. It looks nice. Boot cut jeans. Oh, they have a button fly as well too. I don't usually make pants with button flies. Not really a big fan of it, but I like how it turned out in this pair of pants. And the last pair of pants, black, super skinny pants with zippers on them. You can kind of see what they look like here. They have like a leather pocket and also see the zippers on the back and the zippers on the front as well too. If you guys want to see more detail, check it out on my Instagram at the Tall Tailor. Yeah, that was for week 4, black skinny pants. That's kind of it, man. That's what I've been doing for the last like couple weeks. Let me know what you guys think and which pant was your favorite in the comment section. I've been working, I've been climbing. I busted out the flute, so I'm practicing my flute again. I haven't really been playing the bass too much because I don't know, I haven't really been feeling it, so I haven't really been doing that. How have y'all been? Hope y'all been pretty good. Hope y'all been sewing and stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.